In front of me is Motorola Edge 70 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can enable Suggestion Strip at the top of your keyboard. If you don't have a Suggestion Strip, all you need to do is go into Settings and scroll down to access System section available here. Now choose Keyboard, On-Screen Keyboard, and the Gboard by tapping on it on the left. Following that, tap on Corrections and Suggestions to scroll down and use this switcher next to Suggestion Strip. When it turns blue, you can go back to check out your keyboard. As you can see, Suggestion Strip was successfully enabled. Now thanks to it, by tapping on gear icon, you can access the same settings much faster. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!